have to say the best creative people that I've known always are the most humble. They are almost oblivious of their greatness and how much they impact and influence generations of people. When I started my career, some of the first people to shoot with me, lend me clothes, was Falguni, Shane, and Peacock. So I have so much high regard for them because they're not just pioneers in presenting urban India in India and internationally, but they're also just amazing people who have evolved every few years, and essentially that's what all of us Indians do, and that's what we are. We stand for that, and the fact that we say yes to every opportunity that comes our way and don't look at it like an obstacle, and instead we look at it as something that we need to conquer and build out of. For me, Falguni and Shane both are creative people I look up to. Whenever I am actually confused in certain creative decisions, I always ask and seek advice from them. And the fact that they thought of me for this collection, it's so humbling. It's so nourishing for me to know as a person because you guys mean the world to me. I have always had the best time interacting with you for shoots, for performances, for whatever I've done with you guys, and I really feel like I would love to go on a rooftop and scream as to how this particular collection that they've done. I think it's the first time in my Lakme Fashion Week career of walking, I have ever wanted to own every single piece I saw on the runway. I can't tell you, the models just looked out of this world. Everything was wearable, everything was relatable and aspirational, which is just a combination that we all really want. And I think you guys have nailed Kuto. You guys have nailed relatability and aspiration. I don't know how you guys do it. Thank you for having me. Thank you for making me a small part of this. And it was so much fun working with you, with Karan. It's just the nicest combination that I could have asked for. People who love fashion, people who enjoy fashion, and use it like an everyday expression. So it's been a wonderful, wonderful night. I hope you guys had fun. It's a yes moment. Uh, Anyone offering me chocolate is a yes moment. Mostly. I never say no to chocolate. I am yet to say no to it. So
I think doing this show was a yes moment for us because we've been showing in Bombay after a very long time. And so I think this was a yes moment for us. I'm also having two beautiful showstoppers. One starting the show, one ending the show. So I thought that was a yes moment too.
अक्सर हमने देखा है कि शो स्टॉपर आखिर में आते हैं बट आपने शुरुआत में ही आए और चार चांद लगाए इसके पीछे क्या रीज़न था कुछ बताना चाहोगे?
एक्चुअली यही एक फॉर्मेट था जो फाल्गुनी एंड शेन का आइडिया था कि वी शुड हैव टू शो स्टॉपर्स, एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि हम सब इसे बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं, हम इसे काम की तरह नहीं देखते. आज मेरा एक ऐसा दिन है जहाँ पर मैंने बहुत मज़े से तैयार हुई हूँ. Almost felt like a personal event. It didn't feel like I'm walking for Lakme Fashion Week. वो pressure नहीं था और बहुत ease था. I think it was because it was a Falguni and Shane, and also I just love walking the ramp. It's a thrilling experience.
While walking on the ramp, what's the best thing you always look forward?
Actually, contrary to popular belief, I like being extremely present and looking at people. Sometimes you can't see people because the lights are very bright. But और हर शो में possible नहीं होता. पर most shows I try to be present while I'm walking, and I'm very much there with everyone.
So what's fashion for you? What's style for you?
I think it's finding your true, core, and using that as an expression in everything you do. That's style. I think just staying happy and choosing happiness. I think that's the easiest way to do it. Inner happiness. Thank you guys.
तमन्ना जी लैक्मे का 25th ईयर है
बिल्कुल.
इसके बारे में कुछ कहना है, और कैसा आपका होल एक्सपीरियंस और आगे कैसा रहने वाला है, आप कैसे और एक्सप्लोर करने वाले, प्लीज़ उस बारे में बताइए।
अभी तो ऐसे कोई खास मतलब प्लान्स नहीं है, बट आई फील लाइक इट्स ऑलवेज वंडरफुल वॉकिंग for Lakme Fashion Week. It's their 25th year, and it's a celebration of everybody who does some amazing couture work, some amazing fashion, and it's actually about celebrating Indian craftsmanship with some spectacular Indian design.
एंड फिल्मी दुनिया में एनी अपकमिंग फ्रॉम योर साइड?
बहुत सारे आप हैंडल नहीं कर पाओगे इतना सारा, ऐसे आने वाला है आपको।
तमन्ना जी,
मैं आपको सबके मतलब ऐसे टिंग टिंग टिंग, आई विल बी ऑन योर नोटिफिकेशंस।
तमन्ना जी, आउटफिट की बात करें तो आप सबसे ज़्यादा किस में कंफर्टेबल रहती है, वेस्टर्न या फिर ट्रेडिशनल?
दोनों ही एक्चुअली हम सभी जो हम सारे इंडियंस जो हैं, हम दोनों को बहुत खूबसूरती और आसानी से एम्ब्रेस करते हैं। हमारे लिए हम आई थिंक हमारे जहन में वो डिफ्रेंसिएशन नहीं रखते, क्योंकि हम किसी में भी ढल जाते हैं, एंड आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही हमेशा कोर रहा है। आई लव एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एंड आई गो इनटू व्हिचएवर आई नीड टू। आज का जो आउटफिट है मुझे बहुत पसंद है, क्योंकि मेरा स्टाइल ऐसा है कि कुछ ना कुछ फ्लूइड होना चाहिए और कुछ बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड होना चाहिए। ये मैं काफ़ी वक्त से फॉलो करती आई हूँ, क्योंकि ये मेरे पर्सनालिटी का कोर है। सो जब ये कपड़ों में ढलता है तो बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है।
वन मोर थिंग, फिटनेस की बात करें तो ऐसा पहले कहा जाता कि मॉडल को एकदम फिट होना चाहिए
जी।
रैंप वॉक पर, लेकिन आप जो है उस सारे जो माइंडसेट को तोड़ दिए अपने फिटनेस को लेकर, तो इस पर क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए? कभी कभी ट्रोल भी हुए, लेकिन लोग आपको काफ़ी सपोर्ट किए।
I just think that beauty for me has a very different take, and I'm just happy that I love how I look, and I really enjoy my own self. So I'm just very happy, and I've got actually the kind of love I've gotten from people. I don't think anything that I could have done differently to get so much love. So I feel extremely loved, and I feel extremely cherished. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Have a good night.
I think lots of firsts, Savia. First time I'm doing something with Namrata. First time I'm to be part of a collection backed completely by Reliance. So that's fantastic. The thought behind it is truly amazing. 25 years of Lakme, that's a big one. I've been part of Lakme through every single year, so I feel amazing to be back. First time I'm walking with Coop, so that's also great.
I love that.
So
Thank you,
yes, thank
Mother.
you so much, and I've had a fantastic show today. I think definitely one of my most favorite shows that I've
thank you,
done and
thank
I've
you.
walked. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you for always showing a lot of love. And I shall see you soon. Have a great evening.
Ma'am, tell us something about the outfit and tell us something what's the best part of Lakme Fashion Week because it has just completed 25 years.
Well, it's amazing. I'm really happy to be part of it. 25 years of Lakme Fashion Week. I think I've been part of so many seasons, so it feels like home. And I'm very happy to have walked for Namrata Joshipur. I think it was a fantastic collection, very sustainable, and what Rilan has done with the fabric and everything in terms of athleisure, I think has been super.
मोस्टली हमने आपको ट्रेडिशनल में वॉक करते ज़्यादा देखा, लेकिन इस बार काफ़ी अलग था, वॉक काफ़ी अलग था, आउटफिट काफ़ी अलग था। इसके बारे में
जी, आई थिंक काफ़ी इंडियन अटायर में पहले मैंने वॉक किया। आई थिंक काफ़ी वक्त के बाद मैं एक वेस्टर्न आउटफिट इस किस्म का मैंने पहना है। सो येस, इट्स डिफरेंट एंड आई लाइक्ड इट। बहुत ही कमाल का शो था।
Malaika, your Instagram bio speaks about food, fashion, and fitness. Which comes first in the order? Which F comes first, and how do you rate it?
My 3 favorite Fs, so yeah, all of them.
Which is most important for you out of the three?
How can I live with any one of them, without any one of them? I need food, I need fitness, and I need fashion in my life at all times.
And what do you think about the growing industry when it comes to the athleisure?
I think it's a huge business. I'm somebody who truly stands for athleisure. I propagate it, I wear it, I am all for it. I'm really happy to be part of a brand like Reebok, which has over the years shown so much of faith in me, and I love the brand. So yes, I think athleisure is here to stay.
मैम, यू आर रोल मॉडल, यू आर अ फिटनेस आइकन, सो जो न्यू कमर्स है जो रैम करना चाहते हैं, नर्वस फील करते हैं, उनके लिए कोई अगर आपने तरफ से
नर्वस, मुझे नर्वस अभी भी फील होता है। हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स, वो नर्वसनेस कभी नहीं जाती।
Who's your role model?
Who's my role model? My mother. Yes. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Right, right. Right side. Right. Center. पीटीआई क्या करती हो यार तुम ऊपर क्यों रखी हो समझ नहीं पा
Hello. Jaspreet is also coming and then we start. Okay. अभी 2 मिनट में शुरू करें. जसप्रीत आएंगे फिर शुरू करेंगे. भूमि जी. चलो पूछो यार. जलते हैं मजनू. You're too funny. अरे ऐसे कैसे ज्वाइन कर लेंगे मैम. What are we waiting? What are we waiting?
Just
Oh, yes.
what's in the pipeline? Something exciting.
I have a very exciting show for Royal. It's going to be out within 6 months.
As always, Amit, what a spectacular show. What a spectacular show. And we have just mentioned the heads at Tableau. Just been a little bit about today, nothing, the association. Amit, then a little bit about your collection. We'd love to know what you're wearing, what you like about it.
I think we'll start with the designer and then we'll come to, because it's his stage. So, no, please. No.
Thank you. Overwhelmed right now, but I think Noor, like you rightly said, a great show is a combination of a lot of greats that come together to make something exciting. I think right from the platform of FDCI and Lakme coming together, joining forces with a brand like Nothing, which is of course a pioneer in technology, and an iconic person like Bhumi, epitomizing the age-old textile Banarsi, but yet giving it her own life and spin to it. I think today really closes this show on a very wonderful note. Thank you, Jaspreet. I always tell you I'm indebted to your support. I can do what I do with your love, and Bhumi for reviving and loving a textile that's always been loved, but to give it a new lease of life, just like every single actor, every single character you portrayed and breathed another life into it, today shall always be an indelible memory.
Oh, so, actually one of the phones actually, fell close to, we have some international guests who came in today. Okay, one of the phones fell close to them. Okay, and they spent half the time looking at the phone and wondering what beautiful design this is, as they spent, looking at your, show as well. I think, Amit, you've always pushed the boundaries of what we call fashion. Okay, and certainly, this collaboration is something that we thought was an organic fit. In fact, just for your reference, with the Nothing team, we didn't have a conversation to say it could be X designer versus Y designer versus Z designer. It was you, because I think your design and what Nothing stands for, and the Nothing tree is, with this beautiful glyph design, is something that, where the design aesthetics marry as well. The work that you've done in technology, with your clothing, sometimes it's just impossible to understand how you put all of this together. And that's something that, whenever there are brands that look for people who are going forward in fashion and technology, I think that becomes a great, let's say, marriage. and we are glad we enabled that. You know, we'll speak a little more about the collaboration, but I think first we'll just hear from Bhumi, who's always fantastic. I think one of the things that we love about Bhumi is that generally when we have a conversation around sustainability, okay, it's not a force fit. She genuinely believes in it. She's supported us with the Circular Design Challenge in the past, and we always appreciate having her here. So, you know, maybe you can just put in a few words about Amit, what you felt. Okay, and yeah.
Good evening, everyone. I just want to start by saying that I'm a fan of your work. I remember the first time I wore something created by you. It was this beautiful metallic gown, and I was like, this is so incredible. I was like, this is so new, this is so disruptive. And Amit, I think you're so phenomenal. What I'm wearing today is this beautiful corset made out of repurposed Banarasi saris. I am a huge champion of sustainable fashion. I love thrifting, I love vintage, and what I love about what you are trying to do is that you're trying to revive textile and you're trying to put it into everyday clothes. And I loved what you did with the collection. I feel like what I'm wearing today is an extension of me. It's powerful, it's sexy, it's feminine, and makes you feel like I can take over the world. And thank you so much. LFW, congratulations. It's going to be a big year, 25 years. And I remember as a child, I'd be so enamored by all your fashion events. And I feel really cool that, you know, I've gotten multiple chances to be a part of it. So congratulations. And thank you so much for making me a part of your show today. It was so special.
Everything just came together absolutely well. We are very glad, you know, to have both of you here, you know, today, and we'll open it up for a few questions as well.
भूमि जी, सबसे पहले आप अपने आउटफिट के बारे में बताइए, कैसा है आउटफिट और लैक्मे फैशन वीक को इतना खास क्या बात है?
आई थिंक 25 साल हो गए हैं लैक्मे फैशन वीक के. इट्स ट्रूली अ माइलस्टोन ईयर फॉर देम, एंड आई एम रियली थ्रिल्ड कि उनके 25वें साल में मैंने अमित के साथ कोलैबोरेट किया. आई एम अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ हिज वर्क. ही जेन्युइनली इज़ वेरी डिसरप्टिव इन हिज थिंकिंग. और मुझे आज जो मैंने पहना एक ब्यूटिफुल कॉर्सेट विद आई लव द स्टाइलिंग एज वेल. I have to tell you this. I love how you guys have put it together. This corset, ये repurposed बनारसी साड़ी का बना हुआ corset है, जो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा cool लगता है. I think whatever work अमित ने अपनी बनारसी साड़ियों के साथ किया है, it's always been a standout. Every piece has been spoken about so much, and I'm very confident this one would be spoken about as well. And I think the world is going towards sustainable fashion, and he really epitomizes it.
Thank you.
भूमि जी, फ़ोन के उसमें और आपके उसमें क्या सिमिलरिटी दिखती है?
हाँ,
फ़ोन नथिंग का फ़ोन के उसमें ये डिज़ाइन की गई है, तो आपको क्या सिमिलरिटी दिखती है?
I think,
नथिंग के फ़ोन में.
आई थिंक वो भी एक बहुत ही डिस्ट्रक्टिव डिज़ाइन है. मैं भी एक डिस्ट्रप्टिव इंसान हूँ. आई थिंक दैट वुड बी द सिमिलरिटी.
I think can I answer for you?
प्लीज़.
I think एक फ़ोन का काम ये होता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू दो इंसानों को जोड़े. I think Bhumi does that beautifully. I think through her skill, which is I think a technical skill mixed with emotion, she brings I think the human race together, and I think that is the similarity I find between the phone and her. The color palette was of course a lot of neutrals in the collection because I think as a classic wardrobe you definitely cannot let go of neutrals from your wardrobe. But with of course definitely more festive colors that quintessentially work for the Indian skin tone. I think the aspect of the Banarsi which comes in heritage colors mixed with a lot of industrial material was the palette of the collection.
भूमि जी, जब आप इंडस्ट्री में आए थे तो अगर आपके फैशन की बात करें, आपकी फिटनेस की बात करें, जो आपका कैरेक्टर था काफ़ी अलग था, और अब जो देख रहे काफ़ी अलग ट्रांजिशन हुआ है, तो इस पर आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? कितना ज़रूरी होता है लाइफ में एक ट्रांजिशन लेना, क्योंकि काफ़ी आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनका काफ़ी अलग ही चेंजेस आ रहे हैं.
मैम एक्चुअली मैं ना किरदार टू किरदार चेंज होती हूँ. हो सकता है अगले 6 महीनों में कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर आए जिसके लिए मैं ऐसी ना दिखूँ, तो आप इससे यूज टू मत होना. आई एम एन एक्टर फर्स्ट. मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा पैशनेट हूँ अबाउट व्हाट आई डू एंड आई ऑलवेज ट्राई कि मैं अपने आप को सिर्फ इंटरनली नहीं एक्सटर्नली भी कैरेक्टर के लिए ट्रांसफॉर्म करूँ. सो आई बिन लाइक दिस बिकॉज देयर वर 2 pieces ऑफ कॉन्टेंट दैट आई वॉज डूइंग जहाँ पे वो किरदार ऐसा लगता था. तो इसलिए भूमि अभी ऐसी लग रही है, चेंज हो सकती है वो.
मेरे हस्बैंड की बीवी तो हमने देख लिया, आगे क्या आगे धमाका आपको
आगे रॉयल्स आ रहा है. आई डोंट थिंक डेट आउट है तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती.
हिंट दे दीजिए.
नहीं, वो जल्दी आ रहा है लेकिन. थैंक यू.
मैम ईद आ रही है, ईद की कोई विशेष दे दीजिए.
जी सबको बहुत बहुत बहुत
भाईजान
ज़्यादा
की
ईद
movie भी आ रही है,
मुबारक.
सिकंदर.
जी हम सब बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं. थैंक यू.